ChatGPT Prompt Factory unlocks the true potential of ChatGPT by creating specific roles, characters, personalities, or tools tailored to your needs in just one click. It's super easy to use. Simply activate, customize, train, and automate. Let's deep dive into how it works. Once purchased and copied, the tool will be placed in your Google Drive account and will be accessible from anywhere, just like your other files on Google Drive. The first thing you need to do is activate the tool's functionality. Click on Activate Triggers and follow the instructions. Please note that the application is verified by Google, as you can see from the permissions screen on our account. However, you may see a different screen that shows that the app is not verified and is unsafe. This is because the file is now in your Google Drive account and you are considered its developer. Click on Advanced and then on Go to ChatGPT Prompt Factory. You will see the permissions screen. Click Allow and you're all set. Click on Activate Triggers, and now the triggers and other functionality of your tool will be activated. Please read the End User Agreement, tick the checkbox, and if you agree, press the button. Now the tool is ready to be used. It's good to know that ChatGPT Prompt Factory is approved as a must-have tool by the International Institute of Time Management. It helps increase your productivity and saves you time. On the Dashboard tab, you can see all roles and characters. You can expand and collapse the list. Different tiers have different numbers of roles in their package, 4 for Starter, 9 for Plus, and 20 for the Premium package. In the library, you have the possibility to learn how ChatGPT understands the audience, tones, and styles. You can check each, and the description of it will be auto-populated. You have access to a quite large library. If you need more, you can always add up to 500 custom audiences, 500 custom tones, and 500 custom styles. You can use the Super Dashboard as the homepage of the tool. Once a role is selected, you will be redirected to the Dashboard tab. Customization is an important step that is done only once. When completed, you can use the presets as many times as you would like. From the main dashboard, you can navigate to particular tabs where you can customize your roles and characters. Each role can be customized by tone, style, audience, purpose, language, slang, call to action, format of output, and additional attributes that you would like to be added to the output. Each character has its own customizable page. Once customized, it's saved for your particular character, and the preset is ready to use. If you didn't find a particular customization that you would like to use in the list, you can always set your own in the Add More tab. You can add up to 500 customized options for each customization element. Once the preset is ready, you can select in the dashboard who your character is and what this character is working on. As you can see, there are thousands of choices to be selected from. But if for some reason you didn't find the right one, feel free to add your own. Once added, it will be available to be selected from the dashboard. Training. Once you have a preset ready, all you need is one click to train ChatGPT. Add a topic and what is related to it, and click on the training checkbox. You will get a unique prompt that is individually created based on your preset. Simply copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is trained. Simple and cool, right? Automation. Just add your thoughts or paste anything that you would like to use as input and click on Get Prompt. You will be provided with a unique prompt based on your preset for that character. Copy the prompt and use it in ChatGPT. Additional functionality. On the Super Dashboard, you can click on Show Tabs. It will unhide all tabs for presets. The number of tabs is based on your tier. Clean View will hide those preset tabs and give you a clean view. Viewing the preset customization tabs is also possible from the Dashboard tab. Each number of the character is linked to its own tab. Once clicked, it will unhide the tab, and you are ready to customize the character. Once customization is done, you can hide the tabs with Clean View from the Super Dashboard. Now let's see the demo. This is how one of our customers is using the tool. She has different roles and characters already set and configured. She uses this tool in her daily life for automation of social networking and her daily routine, as she is working as a coach and a manager in a large tech corporation. With only one click, she is getting things done. Check it out. She simply copies prompts and gets the desired output in a matter of seconds. The most important thing is that her outputs are based on personal characteristics that she defined. She has presets for different characters, like sales, coaching, expert, manager, legal and finance, and many more. Instead of wasting hours to get the desired output from ChatGPT, it's now automated and can be done with a single click in seconds. How cool is that? If she would like to change the preset of a character, she can do that quickly, and once done, the preset is automatically saved. If you would like to remove access from your Google account, you simply need to go to your Google account security and remove access. That's it. Get the most from ChatGPT with ChatGPT Prompt Factory. But hurry up, this offer won't last long.